Today, we'll be talking about how to create a variable subscription. This is good if you have multiple tiers or options to a subscription and you want to keep things organized. And to create a variable subscription, you have to go under products and add new. You can give it a title. And to make it a variable subscription, under product data, click variable subscription. Click on attributes, and here is where you'll create the variation of the subscription. So let's say we have a course that has multiple tiers, and we will create an attribute called tier, and we'll create options for this attribute. So every value of the attribute has to be separated by this pipe sign. And to be able to create variations out of these values, we have to check use for variations. And you can make it visible on the product page or not. And click Save Attribute. And to create variations, go under Variations and Generate Variations and click OK. This will generate a variation for each value that we created for the tier attribute. And you can edit each one of those to have different images and different pricing. And so, for example, we'll have this one as for $10, the next one for $30, and the enterprise for $50. And after you are done, you can save changes and you can publish the variable subscription. To view this, we can click on this link here. And you can see, you can choose between starter, which is $10 per month, business, which is $30 per month, and enterprise, which is $50 per month, and you can sign up for it. That's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave it in the comment section.